Looking to make a steady 30,000 shillings profit every month in Kenya? Start with this, just 5 fast-moving motorcycle parts. You don't need a big shop, you just need the right strategy. Let me break it down. Fast-moving parts, these are the secret. They sell every single day. Riders need them, mechanics recommend them, and best of all, they have solid profit margins and almost zero risk of expiry. Let's start with tubes. These are always in demand. Buy in bulk at 152 shillings, sell at 200. That's 48 shillings profit per tube. Sell just 7 a day, and you pocket over 10,000 shillings every month. Next up, brake pads. On Kenyan roads, these fly off the shelves. Buy at 125, sell at 200. That's 75 shillings profit per sale. Only 4 sets a day, and you're up 9,000 by month end. Now, lubricating oil. This keeps your customers coming back. Budget oil can land you 80 shillings profit per liter. Mix it up with premium oils and on average, sell 6 liters daily. That's more than 17,000 shillings a month. Pro tip, stock 10, W40, 20 W50, synthetic and mineral to attract all kinds of riders. Fourth, piston kits. Engine overhauls are serious business. Buy a kit for 310, sell for 500. That's 190 profit per kit. Sell just 2 per day, 11,400 shillings monthly. And finally, driving sets. These are smarter than selling chain or sprockets alone. Buy at 700, sell at 1,000, 300 shillings profit per sale. Move 1 a day, and that's 9,000 at the end of the month. Add it all up, 56,580 profit per month. Even if you drop to just half those sales during slow months, you still cross 30,000. Buy in bulk, focus on popular models like TVS, Boxer, and Honda, and offer quick services like oil changes and brake fitting. Don't just sell smart. Use WhatsApp Business, promote on Facebook, and keep riders coming back with loyalty offers. Remember, in this business, volume plus variety plus value equals steady profit. Start small, think smart, grow steady.